Did you know that noise-canceling headphones can boost your focus by up to 400%? That's like turning your brain into a productivity supercomputer just by putting something on your ears. But here's the crazy part. You don't need to spend $300 to get that superpower. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jesse, your guide to the best, worst, and everything in between. Let's dive into today's top 5. Today, we're cracking the code on budget, noise-canceling headphones that actually work. We're talking real ANC technology, marathon battery life, and sound quality that'll make you forget you didn't break the bank. Stick around because number 3 on this list is about to blow your mind. Here's something that doesn't make sense. How does a $45 pair of headphones deliver 60 hours of battery life when some $200 models barely hit 30? Meet the Soundcore Life Q20. And trust me, this story gets interesting. I threw these headphones into the deep end. Subway commutes, coffee shop chaos, even my neighbor's leaf blower marathon. The hybrid ANC system uses 4 microphones to create what I can only describe as a pocket of peace. It's not perfect, but for under $50, it's borderline magical. Key features breakdown: the 40mm drivers pump out high-res audio that's actually certified, not just marketing fluff. The bass-up technology gives you that extra thump without turning your music into muddy soup. And those memory foam ear cups, they mold to your ears like they were custom made. Pros and cons: here's what works. That insane battery life, comfort that lasts all day, and ANC that actually silences the world around you. The downsides: the plastic build feels exactly like what you paid for, and the noise cancelling won't beat a $300 Sony. But that's not really the point, is it? Who it's best for? You're a student pulling all-nighters, a commuter tired of hearing every conversation on the train, or someone who just wants to dip their toes into the ANC world without diving into debt. These are your gateway drug to audio bliss. Final verdict: 4 out of 5 stars. The Life Q20 proves that good things come in affordable packages. Sure, they're not winning any premium awards, but they're winning where it counts: your wallet and your ears. But that's not the whole story. What if I told you there's a pair of headphones at $80 that packs more features than some $200 models? Enter the JLab JBuds Lux ANC, and boy, did JLab go all out. Picture this: 70 hours of battery life. That's almost 3 days of non-stop music. I tested this during a cross-country road trip, and these headphones outlasted my phone, my patience, and probably my sanity. The cloud foam cushions live up to their name. It's like resting your ears on actual clouds. Key features breakdown: the hybrid ANC adapts to your environment. The JLab app gives you more customization than a gaming PC. And here's the kicker: spatial audio compatibility. You're getting Dolby Atmos support in an $80 headphone. That's not supposed to happen. Pros and cons: the good stuff: endless battery life, app customization that makes you feel like an audio engineer, and comfort that spoils you. The reality check: audio quality is good, not great, and those ear cups run shallow if you've got larger ears. Who it's best for? You're the tech enthusiast who loves tweaking settings, the traveler who forgets to charge things, or anyone who wants premium features without the premium price tag. These headphones don't just play music, they adapt to how you live. Final verdict: 4 out of 5 stars. JLab crammed a department store's worth of features into one headphone. It's not perfect, but it's impressively close for the price. And what happened next might surprise you. Sometimes the middle ground is actually the promised land. The Soundcore Space 1 sits at $100, and it might just be the Goldilocks of budget ANC headphones. Not too cheap, not too expensive, but just right. Here's where things get interesting. The adaptive ANC doesn't just block noise. It studies your environment and adjusts in real time. I'm talking 98% noise reduction that makes airplane engines sound like distant whispers. The LDAC codec delivers 3 times more audio detail than standard Bluetooth. That's not marketing speak. That's actual science making your music better. Key features breakdown: those 8-degree rotating ear cups conform to any head shape. The 40-hour ANC battery life gets you through the longest flights, and the sound signature is tuned like a much more expensive headphone. Plus, that app support gives you EQ control that would make an audio engineer jealous. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. Make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Pros and cons, the wins. Noise cancellation that rivals $200 models, high-res audio that actually sounds high-res, and comfort designed for marathon listening sessions. The reality check? The plastic build shows its price point and some users report durability concerns after heavy use. Who it's best for? You're the frequent flyer who needs serious noise blocking, the audiophile on a budget who still wants quality, or someone ready to step up from basic headphones without stepping into premium pricing. This is where budget meets performance. Final verdict, 4.5 out of 5 stars. The Space One finds that sweet spot between price and performance that's surprisingly hard to hit. It's not perfect, but it's close enough to make you forget about more expensive options. Here's where things get complicated. Most headphones treat fitness like an afterthought, but the Treblab Z2 was born in the gym. At $80, these headphones promise to survive your sweatiest workouts while delivering serious audio performance. The apx codec ensures your workout playlist doesn't get compressed into audio mush, and at just 240 grams, these are light enough to forget you're wearing them. The sweat-resistant materials mean you can push through that final set without babying your tech. Key features, breakdown. The 35-hour battery life keeps pace with your training schedule, the quick charge technology gets you back in action fast, and the sport-focused design actually stays put during movement. The built-in microphone handles calls between sets like a champ. Pros and cons, what works? Genuine workout durability, comfortable lightweight design, and sound quality that motivates movement. The challenges? Build quality can be inconsistent. Some users report button reliability issues, and the ANC performance varies between units. Who it's best for? You're the gym regular who's tired of earbuds falling out, the runner who wants over-ear comfort, or anyone whose headphones need to survive an active lifestyle. These are built for motion, not just music. Final verdict, 3.5 out of 5 stars. The Z2 excels in its niche, but shows some rough edges. If you need workout-ready headphones, they deliver. If you want consistent build quality, you might want to look elsewhere, but here's the thing that'll make you do a double take. The JBL Tune 770NC promises 70 hours of battery life. That's not a typo. 70 hours, I tried to kill the battery during testing and gave up before the headphones did. The JBL Pure Bass sound lives up to the reputation, delivering that signature punch without overwhelming the mix. The adaptive noise cancelling learns your environment, and the JBL Headphones app turns these into a completely customizable audio experience. Key features, breakdown. The speed charge technology gives you 3 hours of playback in 5 minutes of charging. The multi-point pairing lets you jump between devices seamlessly, and the foldable design makes them travel-friendly despite the over-ear size. Pros and cons. The victories, battery life that defies logic, sound quality that responds beautifully to EQ, and app support that makes customization simple. The trade-offs? Small ear cups limit comfort for larger ears, and the ANC struggles with low-frequency rumbles. Who it's best for? You're the traveler who forgets chargers, the commuter who wants set-it-and-forget-it reliability, or anyone who values consistency over cutting-edge features. These headphones just work day after day. Final verdict, 4 out of 5 stars. The Tune 770NC wins on endurance and reliability. It's not the most exciting headphone on this list, but it might be the most dependable. So here's the bottom line. Budget ANC headphones have come incredibly far. You're getting 90% of the performance at 25% of the price. The Soundcore Life Q20 proves great value exists under $50. The JLab JBuds Lux ANC packs premium features into budget pricing. The Soundcore Space 1 hits that sweet spot of performance and price. The Treblab Z2 survives what you throw at it. And the JBL Tune 770NC just keeps going and going. The best choice? It depends on what matters most to you. Need maximum value? Go with the Life Q20. Want every feature imaginable? The JBuds Lux ANC has you covered. Seeking the best overall balance? Space 1 is calling your name. Training hard? The Z2 won't quit on you. Want reliability above all? The JBL Tune 770NC is your marathon partner. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more top picks. Your shortcut to the best. Until next time, keep it top tier.